Plug patch is a flat tire repair material for securely and safely repairing punctures from the inside of all kinds of tires, including radial and bias ply tires. You can choose from 3 plug patch types: PW 3505, PW 4007, and PW 5609, according to the size of hole you are repairing. We will now demonstrate the procedures for making repairs with plug patch. First, remove foreign objects from the tire. Use the chart to decide on the size of the patch and carbide cutter you will use according to the size of the puncture. Use marking chalk to mark cross lines intersecting at the center of the puncture. Next, center the patch over the puncture and outline an area a little beyond the edge. To improve the adhesion of plug patch, spray liquid buffer on the inside surface of the tire and then remove contaminants with a scraper. Attach a carbide cutter to a 500 RPM slow-speed air drill and adjust the puncture flaw from the inside. Next, attach a tungsten rasp to an approximately 2500 RPM air drill and buff an area slightly larger than the size of the patch. Be sure the tire cord does not become exposed when buffing. After you have finished buffing, use cleaner to remove the buffing dust. Coat the buffed area with Super Valcarn G vulcanizing cement evenly. Please put 2 or 3 drops into the puncture flaw as well. Once the Super Valcarn G that was applied to the buffed area has dried, apply Super Valcarn G to the plug patch taper. Insert the tip of the wire into the puncture from the inside of the tire. Use pliers to pull out the wire once it has poked through to the tread. Pull the wire until the patch comes in firm contact with the inside of the tire. When the patch is in firm contact with the tire, use a roller and stitch vigorously from the center of the patch to the outer edge. Please be sure to apply strong pressure, especially at the periphery. For restoring the over-buffed area of the inner liner, apply seal liner to the patch and buffed area extending beyond the patch. Lastly, cut off the plug, leaving about 2 or 3 millimeters of it on, and the repair is complete.